Have you ever found yourself wondering why that loan application got rejected? It's a common situation that leaves many of us scratching our heads. But there's a mysterious number at play here, a number that holds sway over the financial world. This number, my friends, is your credit score. It's the secret code that lenders use to decide if you're a safe bet or a risky gamble. And it can make all the difference when you're hoping for that green light. Well, the answer might just be in your credit score. So, what exactly is this credit score we're talking about? Well, imagine credit score as a report card for your finances. Just as your grades reflect your academic performance, your credit score indicates your financial health. It's a 3-digit number that lenders use to gauge your creditworthiness. That is, how likely you are to repay borrowed money. Credit scores range from 300 to 850. The higher the score, the better your credit. The most commonly used model is the FICO score, which stands for Fair Isaac Corporation, the company that developed it. This score is calculated using 5 main factors: payment history, amounts owed, length of credit history, credit mix, and new credit. Your payment history, which accounts for about 35% of your FICO score, is the most significant factor. It shows whether you've paid past credit accounts on time. Next comes the amounts owed, contributing to about 30% of your score. This doesn't necessarily mean that owing money is bad. Rather, it considers how much of your available credit you're using. The length of your credit history makes up about 15% of your score. A longer credit history can increase your score. The mix of credit types you have, such as credit cards and loans, and new credit or how many new accounts you have, each make up 10% of your score. Now, why is having a good credit score crucial? Having a good credit score means more than just bragging rights. It can affect your ability to get a loan, rent an apartment, or even get a job. Lenders, landlords, and employers often check credit scores to determine whether you're a responsible individual. A high score can open up opportunities like lower interest rates on loans, while a low score can limit your options and make life more expensive. So it's essential to maintain a high credit score, or if you're struggling, to take steps to improve it. Remember, a high credit score opens doors, while a low one can slam them shut. What happens when your credit score isn't up to par? Let's delve into this question. Imagine your credit score as a report card for your financial health. Just as a poor report card could shut doors on your academic and career prospects, a low credit score can have similar effects on your financial life. It's not just about numbers on a page, it's about the opportunities those numbers can open or close for you. One of the most immediate consequences of a bad credit score is higher interest rates. Lenders view individuals with lower credit scores as higher risk, and thus charge them more to borrow money. This means that everything from your credit card interest to your mortgage rate could be significantly higher than those with good credit. Over time, these high interest rates can add up, costing you thousands of extra dollars. Now think about applying for a loan or a credit card. With a lower credit score, your application is more likely to be rejected outright. This could prevent you from being able to make important purchases, such as a car or a home. It can even limit your ability to handle unexpected expenses, leaving you in a precarious position. Let's not forget about housing and employment. Many landlords and some employers check credit histories as part of their screening process. Bad credit can lead to rejections from landlords, making it difficult to secure housing. Similarly, certain employers may be hesitant to hire someone with a bad credit history, especially for positions that involve financial responsibility. And these are just a few examples. The ripple effects of bad credit can touch every aspect of your life, from your financial freedom to your personal relationships. It can feel like a heavy chain, holding you back from your dreams. But remember, it's not an irreversible situation. There are steps you can take, strategies you can employ, to pull yourself out of the mire of bad credit and work towards financial health. Bad credit can feel like a heavy chain, holding you back from your dreams. But rest assured, there's a beacon of hope on the horizon, and we'll explore that in our next segment. But don't worry, there's a light at the end of this tunnel. Now let's talk about hope, the hope that comes with our credit repair special. This is a beacon of hope, a lifeline thrown your way to pull you out of the murky waters of bad credit. Our credit repair special is a unique service that aims to help you improve your credit score. It's a comprehensive process that involves evaluating your credit report, identifying discrepancies, and challenging inaccuracies. We partner with you, working hand in hand to navigate the complexities of the credit system. Now imagine a world where you're not constantly burdened by the weight of bad credit. Picture the relief of knowing you're on the road to financial recovery. That's the world our credit repair special can help create. And the benefits? They're immense. Improved credit scores can mean lower interest rates on loans and credit cards. It can also mean higher chances of approval for credit and loans, and even better job prospects. But the benefits go beyond the financial. With improved credit, you can regain control of your life, restore your financial dignity, and rebuild your future. Our credit repair special isn't just about numbers on a report. It's about giving you the freedom to live your life on your terms. With our credit repair special, you're not just improving your credit score, you're improving your life. Why aim for a credit score of 620 or higher, you might be asking? Well, let me paint a picture for you, one that showcases the many benefits of having a credit score of 620 or above. Imagine this. You're walking into a bank or a car dealership, not with worry or apprehension, but with confidence and assurance. Why? Because a credit score of 620 or higher opens up a world of opportunities you might not have thought possible. Firstly, it unlocks the door to lower interest rates. Yes, the difference between a score of 599 and 620 could mean hundreds, if not thousands of dollars saved over the lifetime of a loan. That's money that can go towards your child's education, a much-deserved vacation, or even a down payment on a new home. Secondly, a credit score of 620 or higher makes loan approvals a breeze. Gone are the days of nail-biting waits and rejections. With a good credit score, you have the power to walk into a financial institution and walk out with the loan you need, be it for a home, a car, or a small business. And thirdly, credit score of 620 or more is like a key to a treasure chest of financial opportunities. It can make the difference between renting and owning a home. It can help you secure a credit card with a high limit and low interest rate. It can even make you a more attractive candidate for jobs, as some employers check credit scores as part of their hiring process. So, why aim for a credit score of 620 or higher? Because it's not just a number. It's a stepping stone to financial stability, a safeguard for your future, and a testament to your financial responsibility. A credit score of 620 isn't just a number. It's a ticket to financial freedom. What does good credit really mean for you? Now that, my friends, is the million-dollar question. And it's a question with a million-dollar answer. Good credit is more than just numbers on a computer screen. It's a key that opens up a world of opportunities. You know that dream house you've been eyeing? With good credit, it's not just a dream any longer. It becomes a reality where you're not just renting, but owning, putting down roots and creating a home filled with laughter and love. And what about that shiny new car that's been on your wish list for ages? With good credit, you can drive it right off the lot. No more worrying about how you're going to get to work or pick up the kids from school. With good credit, you have the freedom and independence to go wherever you want, whenever you want. But it doesn't stop there. Good credit can help you secure a job, especially in sectors where financial trustworthiness is paramount. It gives you the edge, the credibility. It's a testament to your responsibility and reliability. Ever dreamed of starting your own business? With good credit, you can secure the funds needed to kickstart that dream. It's not just about making money, it's about pursuing your passion, making a difference, and leaving a legacy. But remember, good credit isn't something that just happens. It's something you build, something you nurture. It's about making smart financial decisions, about paying your bills on time, about managing your debts responsibly. It's a journey, and it's a journey worth taking. Because at the end of the day, good credit isn't just about money. It's about freedom. It's about opportunity. It's about empowerment. It's about living your best life. So let's take this journey together. Let's unlock the power of good credit. Because good credit isn't just about money. It's about living your best life. So, are you ready to take control of your credit score? It's time to seize this golden opportunity, folks. Our special credit repair offer is a valuable investment in your financial future. Imagine the doors that a better credit score could open for you. Lower interest rates, better loan terms, maybe even that dream home you've always wanted. It's all possible, so don't wait another minute. Remember, your credit score isn't just a number. It's your ticket to a better future.